Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the audio renderer error please restart issue on YouTube. First, we will restart the Windows Audio Services. Go to the Windows search bar and type Services, then press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down until you find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on Windows Audio and select Restart. If the service is not running, click Start instead. Repeat the same process for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Once both services have been restarted, close the window and check if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to reinstall your audio drivers. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Find your audio device, right-click on it, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the removal if prompted. After that, restart your computer. Windows will automatically detect the hardware and install a fresh copy of the audio driver during startup. If the problem continues, try disabling audio enhancements. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Change the view by option in the top right corner to large icons. Click on Sound. Under the Playback tab, right-click your active speakers or headphones and select Properties. Open the Enhancements tab and check the box labeled Disable All Enhancements. If that option is not available, click Restore Defaults instead. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Finally, restart your computer one more time and test YouTube again. Thanks for watching.